Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Today I am going to announce a very good news for everyone, those who are preparing for Gate 2021 as well as 2022 and beyond that. So in last 1 week I got many requests of the student to teach online. Okay, so even in YouTube because they want full lectures of some of the subject. So I have created one Google form and I have shared with them. And the two subjects that I got a huge demand. That first one is theory of computation and algorithm. So I have decided to teach theory of computation and algorithm, which is going to be totally free because in YouTube it is going to be totally free, and I'm going to cover all the topics that are in your GATE syllabus. Along with that, all the last 30 years questions. Yeah, you are never going to get anywhere in any coaching because last 30 years questions along with the content they are never going to provide because this take time. Okay, now since it is my own coaching, I am having a time and even I am not charging anything, so I can do that. Okay, so you are going to get a last 30 years questions along with the content that is required for your GATE 2021. Okay, so for that what you should do, you have to give me at least 1 to 2 months because I need to upload the video. So in 1 to 2 months it is going to cover both. So first I will teach theory of computation, then I will go to algorithm. Okay, so for that there is only I have one request that you please subscribe to my channel so that you can get a instant notification of my free lecture. Okay, so all the best.